Welcome back. Welcome for the first time. This week's video, we're talking about fishing weights. More specifically, I got a message from one of my local fishermen. He had a question for me. He said, can you do a video on how to put weights on fishing line? All other YouTubers are lying. And I asked him, what types of weights are you interested in hearing about? Also, what are the other YouTubers lying about? And then he responded that I have to tie the weight to the line. What are we gonna do right now? We're gonna go to my local fishing store. I'm gonna buy every type of freshwater fishing weight. No, I'm gonna buy the weights that he bought. Yeah, let's get to the store. All right, let's get inside. Oh, my lights are still on. Whoops. All right, well, now let's get back to the studio. All right, so everyone, let's talk about Maddie's weight problem. That's not what I meant. Let's talk about his issue with fishing weights. Okay, so I feel partly responsible because I mention bullet weights pretty frequently on the Freshwater Fishing Novice YouTube channel. I believe that's where Matt's confusion is coming from. And I didn't realize it until he sent me this picture right here. This is the same pack that Maddie got. And you can see at the top, it says bullet weights. But that's not a bullet weight. I realized what Matt's problem was. I'm talking about a certain type of bullet weight. I didn't realize there's a company called Bullet Weights. That is just a giant pain in the butt. I think they are monopolizing on the name bullet weights. Now let me show you the weights that Matt has. Matt, you know the weights you have. I'll show you other viewers. Matt bought these bullet weights. These are not bullet weights. These are drop shot rigs or sinkers, or a type of drop shot weight. Let's go back to Matt's original question, wondering, do you have to tie your sinker, your weights, onto your fishing line? Short answer, you are gonna have to tie the line onto that little metal loop piece. You can see that little loop. I'll show you how you can get away with not hooking that up. If you buy these by accident because maybe you thought it was a bullet weight because of the dumb company put bullet weight right here, what you can do is you get your snips instead of spending more money, and you can just snip it and pull that little piece of metal out. Now what you're gonna do, you can see, I don't know if you can see, yep, you can see right there, there's a hollow hole. If you wanna run this like the bullet weight that I rig, you're gonna put main line coming off the rod. You're gonna take the pointy end, go through that little tip and through that big end. Now, you're gonna attach your hook. For this demonstration, I'm just using a extra wide gap hook. I think this is a 1/0. It's pretty small. Take your line and go through here, through that, back through the eyelet. You're gonna do underhand. You go through that loop, and now you're gonna slip that hook through. Once again, you wanna lube this and then pull it all tight, cinch it down. There we go. So now we have our tag end. What we're gonna do, trim that off. And now what you have, we'll consider a Texas rig. All right, Matt, other viewers, hope this was helpful. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. You know what to do for all these YouTube things I'm not gonna tell you. Thanks for watching this week. I'll catch you next week.